Oh yeah, I'll pull in. It's a better spot.
That ball thing over there.
I don't know, it looks like an old observatory or something, but they wouldn't be able to use it here now. Yeah, look at the traffic. Yeah, traffic. Come on, accident, accident, accident. Come on, accident. No. Yeah. I'm cheering for it, because they would get me 100,000 views on YouTube, you know? Oh, there's a guy taking a pee by the river. Look at that. Oh, yeah, there he goes.
Yeah. I just got pictures of guys up.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Anyway.
Shake it, not.